Have you ever thought about turning what you know into money online in 2026? Online courses are one of the smartest and most scalable ways to earn from anywhere today. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more than the person you're teaching, so subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Start with a skill you already have that people search for online every day. It could be something simple like editing videos, using social media, or learning a trade. Ask yourself one honest question: would someone pay to learn this faster and easier? Before creating anything, validate your idea by checking YouTube, TikTok, and Google. If people are asking questions, leaving comments, or struggling, that means demand exists. If others are already selling similar courses, that's even better because it proves profitability. Now break your course into simple, clear steps from beginner level to advanced results. Think about taking someone from zero knowledge to real confidence in that skill. Keep your lessons short, practical, and focused on solving specific problems. When recording, use your phone, good lighting, and a quiet environment. Don't wait for perfect equipment because value always beats perfection. Choose where you want to sell your course based on your audience and style. You can use platforms, your own website, or sell directly through social media. In 2026, many people are making money by building small audiences and selling directly. Marketing is the key, so start posting helpful tips and insights about your topic. Share free value consistently so people begin to trust your knowledge. Show results, common mistakes, and simple strategies people can apply immediately. Then position your course as the complete guide that gives them full transformation. Price your course based on the value and results it delivers, not just the length. Start with a reasonable price and increase it as you get testimonials and success stories. Consistency, clarity, and confidence will help you grow faster than perfection ever will. The truth is, your knowledge is already valuable. You just need to package it properly. Starting now gives you an advantage while many people are still overthinking. What online course do you plan on starting in 2026? Drop it in the comments section. Before you leave, let us ask you something. If you just got value from this video, imagine what consistent strategies like this could do for your income over the next few months. On our YouTube channel, we break down real ways to grow your money, build side hustles, and tap into opportunities most people are still sleeping on. We don't just talk good, we show you exactly how to start and scale. So don't stop here, because what you've seen is just the surface. Click the link right now on top of this video, watch the full content on YouTube, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Trust us, the next video could be the one that changes how you make money completely. Because the truth is, the people who keep learning are the ones who keep earning. We'll see you on the channel. We have something exciting you don't want to miss.